Hey there everyone, this is Matt for Creative. Now today we're here with the XS Max. Now this is the second one that I've received from Apple. The first one had battery issues and poor cellular and Wi-Fi connectivity. If you go to an Apple store, and it seems like if you do it within their warranty period, for this issue of the battery and the cellular connectivity, they'll give you a new iPhone. Now maybe they'll try and make you jump through some hoops to get to it, but if you persist long enough, it seems like they will give you a new device. Now, I did have battery issues where I was seeing a lot of battery drain, which I thought was really quick throughout a single day. I just was getting poorer battery life than the 10 that I upgraded from, and I knew something was wrong. It seems like with this second iPhone, the replacement iPhone, the battery issue has gotten better. Still not as great as I assumed it would have been when I first got it, but it's gotten a lot better. But the cellular connectivity and Wi-Fi has not been great at all. And what I would probably think it's about 50% of what I had with the 10. Now I do have a perfectly good router, and that runs other iPhones in this house and tablets and iPads, and they do perfectly fine. But the only thing I've seen dip in the performance has been the XS Max. And again, I thought it was going to be fixed with a newer model, but this is the second one. Now, I don't know if this is only me. I don't know if somebody else has been having this problem too, but just let me know in the comment section below. Have you had this problem too, or is your iPhone XS Max or just the XS, has it been performing better than 10 or whatever you're upgrading from? I'm concerned because I use Instagram, I use YouTube, I use a lot of websites, and it's just not loading well. Sometimes it'll just stop. Sometimes YouTube will play in 480p, even on the home's Wi-Fi, and just on cellular as well, just because it thinks it can't fill up the entire video in time at 720 or even 1080. So I'm not happy with it. Even though I believe the device itself is great and I love having this giant screen, unfortunately, this is just not something that I can bear. But I hope that Apple will do something. Usually things can be fixed with software, but so far I haven't seen many things on this. So again, let me know how you're doing. But thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.